Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'm going to do the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of the Redmi 6. Now before we get started, these are the specifications and Antutu and Geekbench scores of the phone. Now this is my setup. There are two big lights on either side and there is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is also 26 degrees. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front it is 35 degrees, at the bottom it is about 34 to 35 degrees, on the back it is 35 degrees, and at the bottom it is about 33 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start the gaming review with Asphalt 9. By the way, currently phone has 55% battery. Now let's see how it performs with Asphalt 9. So guys, it's been about 8 minutes since I started playing the game. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, I'm seeing a maximum of 38 to 39 degrees. At the bottom, it's about 38 to 39 degrees. On the back, I've seen a maximum of 39, and at the bottom, I've seen a maximum of 37 degrees. Now coming to the gaming experience, visuals were really good. They were like amazing, but the entire game lagged a lot. It was not playable at all. I've tried to change the graphics settings, but still the phone was lagging a lot. At least as of now, you can't play this game on this phone, but with a future update, it might be optimized and should be playable. Anyway, going on next, I'll be playing Modern Combat 5. So guys, I played this game for about 7 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, I'm seeing a maximum of 38. At the bottom, it's about 38 to 39 degrees. On the back, it is 38 degrees. And at the bottom, it is 36 degrees. Now coming to the gaming experience, visuals were decent. But again, there was some lag. It's negligible and it won't affect the gaming experience. So you can play this game without much issues. Next, I'll be playing Shadowgun Legends. Now this is like the most graphic intensive game or heavy game, so let's see how this phone performs. So guys, I played this game for about 10 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 41 degrees. At the bottom, it's about 39 to 40. On the back, once again, I've seen 41 degrees. And at the bottom, it's fluctuating from 38 to 39. Now coming to gaming experience, once again there was some lag, but the visuals were pretty good. Next I'll be playing PUBG Mobile. So guys, I played this game about 10 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, once again, I've seen a maximum of 41 degrees. Even at the bottom, it is 41. On the back, it's fluctuating from 40 to 42. And at the bottom, I've seen a maximum of 37 degrees. Now coming to the gaming experience, there was lag and it was noticeable. So guys, that's the gaming review. Now coming to the battery test, I've been playing games for about 40 minutes and the current battery percentage is 39. So for 40 minutes of gameplay, phone used about 16% of battery, which is kinda okay considering this phone has a smaller 3000 mAh battery. Next, I'll be doing the heat test where I'll be taking pictures continuously for 3 minutes using the front and rear cameras and then check the temperature. By the way, there is still an AC running in the background and the current room temperature is 27 degrees. Now I'll restart the timer and start the heat test. So guys, it's been about 3 minutes since I've been taking pictures continuously. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 43 degrees. At the bottom, it is about 42. On the back, once again, I've seen maximum of 43 degrees. And at the bottom, it's about 38 to 39. By the way, I've taken a total of 242 images in 3 minutes. Now coming to the heat test results, I've seen a maximum of 43 degrees and considering other phones like Honor 9N, which reached a maximum of 50 degrees in similar room temperature, I must say this phone is doing pretty good, and no matter how much you push it, at least it won't get pretty hot. So guys, to conclude, gaming performance on this phone is okay. There is a bit of lag, but if you can change the graphic settings, you might have a much better user experience. But overall, I wouldn't recommend you this phone, especially for gaming because it has a HD Plus display and the performance isn't all that great. As you have seen, there is some lag even while playing games like Modern Combat 5, which were like maybe 1 or 2 years old. Now with that said, gaming experience on Asphalt 9 and PUBG might improve with further optimization. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this phone, please use the link in the description. It really helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.